Hey everyone, I wanted to show you guys a Chromebook extension that you can use to record videos with. So you can use this on a Chromebook, you can also use it on a laptop, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if for whatever reason Screencast-O-Matic is not working for you very well, which if you are a Chromebook user it probably won't work as well, this is an extra tool that you can use. So it is called Screencastify. So all you need to do is in the search bar, you're going to search Screencastify. It should be the first thing that pops up, so you're going to select Screencastify. Once you're here, and your screen might look a little bit different, but there should be a big blue button that says Add to Chrome. So you're going to, or Add Chrome Extension, any form of those words, you're going to click on it. Okay, and it'll bring you up to a screen that looks really similar to this, if not exactly like it, and you are going to hit Add to Chrome again. And then you will select Add Extension. And it will take a minute. Okay. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Once you are here, you're going to see, or once it downloads, you're going to see in the upper right hand corner there is a little icon that looks like an arrow. This is now Screencastify, so you now have access to it. So what you're going to do, if you want to use Screencastify to record a video, which I would strongly recommend, you just click on it. And the first time you use it, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Once you have this all set up and established, you won't ever see the screen again. But you're going to select Sign in with Google. And it'll bring you in. Then you can pick which one you want to use it with. So I'm going to select the one that I'm using. I'm using Mrs. Eichmann's email account right now. And then you're going to allow it. The next few things, you're going to set up what you are going to allow Screencastify to use. So you want to make sure that camera and microphone and then drawing and annotating are checked as things that you're going to allow. So then you'll just select Next and then Allow, Allow, and then you will select Student. Once you get to this screen, I'm going to select Educator though, because I am an educator at a grade school. And then you should be ready to go. You guys will actually, after you select Student, you'll get a screen that says, are you under 13, over 13? Go ahead and answer that, and then it will bring you to this. And this is just a quick tutorial on how you can record with Screencastify. But Screencastify is great. Watch the tutorial video. But now when you're ready to record something, you can just come up here and select the icon, and then the only other thing that you need to make sure you do is select this so that it says Embed Webcam, and that will allow you to have your screen. So kind of like you guys can see me, it will allow you to have access to that. So make sure you do those things, and then once you're ready, you just hit record and you're good to go.